Hello and welcome to my channel. This is me Suparna back again, and today we are doing two smoky eye looks. Daytime smoky eye, which is this one, and nighttime smoky eye, which is this one. To create these eye looks, I have used the most basic eyeshadows, the readily available eyeshadows. I have not gone for anything fancy. I have not gone for anything expensive, except for maybe my MAC eyeliner, this one, Pro Long Fluid Line. Again, this is an eyeliner, eyeshadow, all-in-one sort of a gel based, let's just call it black eyeshadow gel eyeliner. This is all in one. And myself a winged eyeliner look. You can skip this. You can just draw a plain simple line all the way, all along your upper eyelash line, and then blend it. You need not create this if you're not very confident. Then you needn't go for this. But if you do this, then it sort of elongates your eye and gives your eye a better shape and makes it streamlines it. So the first thing I'm going to use to create this daytime smoky look is MAC Black Track. This, going to draw a line all along my upper eyelid, very close to my lashes, and also try to make a winged eye line with it, and then I'll just blend it upwards. And for that I'm taking an angled brush, and this angled brush I will just dip it like this, and then just dab this all along my upper eyelid. It doesn't matter if this is not very perfect, because we are going to blend it anyway. This line has been drawn all along from this point to this point. And now I'm just going to blend it with this brush. Doing a daytime smoky eye, or any smoky eye for that matter, is that you don't paint the entire eyelid black. That sort of a look is better suited for nighttime. So this has been blended, and now I'll be taking this brown shade. This is by Catrice Cosmetics, and this brown, it has got a little bit of shimmer in it, but I think it is perfect for daytime despite the presence of shimmer in it. It's not a very loud shimmer, it's a very mellowed shimmer. This is that blending brush. It's dirty because I've already created this look on the other eye. So I'll just take a little bit of this, tap off the excess, just go here, just leave a little bit of gap, and then just blend this brown with this black, and I'm going to actually use it all over my eyelid space. And see how I'm also using that brown to blend this black as well. And I'm just going over this black color, and this is mellowing down this black, but you can see a strong presence of the black line below. And I'll just take a little bit more. I'm not going into my transition yet, though it seems like that I'm going, but I'm not. I'm sticking to my eyelid and just sort of diffusing this black the outer corner as well, and then just back to blending. Nice transition from black to this brown. We should give it a little bit of definition by bringing in some more colors. So for that I'm going to be using my Revlon eyeshadow trio, and this again has very basic colors. This is by Revlon, and it's called Showstopper Copper, with very basic shades which are available in Indian departmental stores or online, and which are not very expensive. And from this I'll be using this particular red color shade, and this copperish red shade. And again I think I'll take the same brush, use this in my transition area. So just tap off the excess and you can see how beautifully the colors are coming together, and the transition, the gradient effect from black to brown to red, it really, I think, amplifies the effect of a smoky eye. And this is really, these colors are really easy to work with, and they are so flattering on Indian skin tone. And I shall also be running this copper red color on my lower lash line. So remember to leave a nice clean skin like line so that your eyes look larger and there is a little bit of space available to put your highlighter. Taking my MAC Technicolor eyeliner, eye pencil actually, and I'll run it along my lower lash line and then smudge it a little bit. I would also just deepen this line which we had initially drawn, and I'm sticking very close to my upper eyelid lash line. I'm sticking very close to. Think that you have screwed it up, you can always just go back in and blend it with your brush and it'll all be fine. Never ever worry when you're applying makeup. There is just nothing that can't be fixed. Everything in makeup can be fixed. So even if you've done an awful job at blending, you have smudged somewhere, it can all be fixed. The trick is not to worry and watch my videos. And go in with a blunt brush and just smudge. I'm going to now highlight my inner corner, and for that I'll be using this golden shade. I have taken the most vulgar quantity of this gold and just extend it a little outwards and run it here along my brow bone. Your daytime smoky eye done. I'm going to apply mascara, Smashbox, and it's called Superfan mascara. This is my favorite mascara ever. So I've applied my false eyelashes. These are by Kingdom of Lashes. The style is natural. These are the only eyelashes that are left with me because of the corona lockdown time. So I'll just show you my eye makeup from close. To create the blue smoky eye look, I am using Color Bar. This particular one is called Cosmo. This is blue black in color. So this is the swatch of this Color Bar Moon Lava eyeshadow, and as you can see, this is a blackish blue, and it's got a very solid black base with silverish and pinkish specks, and the mid tones are blue, and there is the upper tones are shimmery silvers, pinks and purples. So this is what this Moon Lava eyeshadow looks like. I'm going to be bringing Black Drag Pro Longwear Fluid Line Gel Eyeliner. I'll be applying it on my eyelid, and this I shall be extending till my crease area, and I'll not go any further up. I'll just restrict it to the crease and just blend it out here so that it creates a nice black base for my eye. And after that, once that is done, I'm going to put my Color Bar Moon Lava eyeshadow, and as you can see, I have removed my falsies. Going back into this pot, I shall be taking this dense brush because you know this formula is very thick. A dense brush like this helps pick out the right quantity of product, and then you know blending wise also it is quite effective because this is quite thick. So let's just start from the bottom part and just go up. Keep blending this and bring it upwards till the crease, and remember to maintain the shape of the eye. That's going to determine how shapely your eye is going to finally look. So don't make the eye bumpy here. Keep the highest point somewhere on top of your pupil properly and very nicely. Don't go any further up. Stay below and just blend and blend outwards a little bit as well. And this is just about touching the transition. So that has gone up till the crease, and I can see a little over smudging here, so I'll just go back in with the previous brush and blend it properly so that that smudge is not harsh and gets covered by the transition shade. This is done. The last step is to apply that liquid eyeshadow. Shadow comes with a very precise wand, and this wand is quite precise. And what I'll do is that I'll just pat some on the main part of the eyelid. In fact, it is quite handy for application as well, and you can see how rich, how pure metallic and shimmery and everything this eyeshadow is. And you apply it evenly from A point to B point, and remember to maintain the shape of the eye. Don't disturb this. Don't disturb the arch. Just mildly spread it a little bit so that it reaches all those skin patches on your eye. And just blend it so that it doesn't look harsh. Should be even, it should be blended, and for this actually you require good brushes, and of course the technique matters a lot. But all said and done, I have to say that Color Bar Moon Lava eyeshadows are quite handy to use. And for the lower eyelid, just to enhance this blue smokiness, Color Mix Ultramarine Eye Pencil in blue. I'm gonna be putting this the same thing. I'll just take it on my hand with a pointy brush. I'll just take some and just who says that you can't put glitter eyeshadow on your lower lash line? I think it's a rumor. So you apply it like that, and I think I'll just use a touch of this. Blend it all together. Now all you need is your mascara. You can apply a little bit of your eyeliner here if you want to, but I don't think it is required. And you can apply your mascara on your upper eyelashes. Also apply generous amount of mascara on your lower lashes as well, and wear falsies with this look because it will go so very well with this eye look. What's the point of smoky if you can't add a bit of shimmer? You see, this blue eyeshadow by Color Bar has popped so nicely on my eyelid. So I really hope that you liked my video and my tutorial on these two looks, daytime and nighttime smoky look. So take care, love you lots, stay safe.